Hi everyone, welcome back to 2.0. I'm Alex and today we will be talking about the Samsung M31, which was made available only online last May 29. And if you haven't heard yet, it has crazy specs for mid-range smartphone priced at $13,990. Considering the price, they really raised the bar with this one, so make sure to stay tuned to know more about it and let us know your opinions. So this is what we have in the box. We have the blue version, but it also comes in black. It's pretty plain and it's a smudge magnet, although I'm not complaining because at least it has a nice heft to it even if it has a plastic back. On the right, we have the usual power button and volume rocker, while on the left, you have the card tray for 2 nano SIM cards and micro SD. On the bottom, we have the headphone jack, USB-C port, microphone, and speaker that supports Dolby Atmos, and it also has another microphone on top. Up front, we have a 6.4-inch Super AMOLED screen with a full high-definition 2340 by 1080 resolution. You can see very thin bezels thanks to Samsung's signature Infinity display. We have the dewdrop notch on the top, which houses the 32-megapixel selfie camera. You can use the live focus to gently blur the background to your liking or have an 81-degree wide angle. The colors are really crisp and they pop out. For the main camera on the back, we have this grid-like matrix that houses the 64-megapixel main camera, 8MP ultra-wide, 5MP focus, and 5MP macro. The photos were very true to their colors, they capture every detail. The camera also has a 123-degree wide angle. You can adjust the depth of field when the live focus is on, and it was pretty accurate separating the subject from the background. It features super steady video mode but lacked brightness. It also has night mode, which could have been better. It wasn't very bright and was a bit blurry. Also on the back, we have the fingerprint scanner, which actually ran smoothly, although I had some issues with the facial recognition, especially in unfavorable lighting. It has a 6000 mAh battery that's actually one of the highest mobile battery capacities you can have, although it only has a 15-watt flash charger and took us a little more than 2 hours to fully charge. It lasted us an average of 2 days with light to moderate usage and gaming from time to time. Under the hood, we have the Exynos 9611 with an octa-core CPU with up to 2.3 GHz for intensive tasks. It has a 6GB of RAM with a 128GB storage expandable up to 512. Multitasking was fine, however, when we were trying out Asphalt 9, which is a processor-intensive game, we experienced a few frame drops. So overall, it's actually really great. For the pros, it has Super AMOLED screen, 64-megapixel main camera, 32MP for the front, 6000 mAh battery, Dolby Atmos, and it's a Samsung, all for $13,990. For the cons, it's plain looking, although that's not actually a big issue. It took longer to charge, and there were a few frame drops. If you have any questions, feel free to leave it on the comment section down below. Also take note that we will be having a giveaway soon, and we'll be posting the mechanics on secondopinion.ph. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and catch me on our next video.